The AARP did a survey in 2018 that showed 79% of people over 50 want to age in their home, but only 46% of those feel like it's possible. So when it comes to downsizing, I help people that understand eventually they may need some help moving to a new location. If the house is too big for them, they're rattling around, they're tired of the maintenance, they're tired of the yard work, they just want to be able to go out and enjoy their life. Maybe they want to move from a 4,000 square foot home down to a 2,000 square foot apartment so that they can go see their grandkids or vacation when they want to or work on a hobby. So one thing that is a big obstacle for people as they start to think about downsizing or finding a retirement home that's different than their longtime home is what to do with all the stuff. So I have found by trying to declutter early while you're still healthy and able to, it makes the process a lot easier. One thing that a lot of my clients consider is moving to a smaller home or an apartment, especially if it's single level. They will look for a patio home, a first floor condo, something that's easy to get in and out of as they age and things start to get a little creaky. As my clients retire and start living their life out in their home, they realize that they might be socially isolated. So some clients want to move maybe closer to town or into a 55+ community where they can make friends easily, have activities to do, and that really fills a need for them. Studies have shown that a key component of successful aging is making sure that you're socially engaged and have friends. So researching the neighborhoods that you're considering is very important. So one piece of advice is don't downsize too fast. If you need to, take a step at a time. So when you're thinking about retirement and your plans for the future, make sure you have a housing plan. You have a medical plan and you have a financial plan. A housing plan is just as important.